Hi, this is the Daily Forex Report for November 25th. We are going to look at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair first. This particular pair closed up for this past session, fairly small range. That kind of goes across all the pairs due to the U.S. holiday, the Thanksgiving holiday. Those of you that are celebrating Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. We are looking for this pair to potentially move up and hit some resistance around the 838, 8383. We also are looking for some support on this one at 8275. So 8275, we're looking for a potential to hit some support. Okay, let's take a look at the Euro USD pair. This pair closed up, however, here again, fairly tight range. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with a heavy bias to the downside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 134.88 and possibly moving down to 132.12. Okay, we are looking for some resistance to kick in around the 134.45 level and looking for some support to kick in around the 132.81 mark. Okay, let's take a look at the pound US dollar pair. This particular pair did close down for the session. It made a new low, but did pull back into prior, basically the prior ranges to the downside, prior support. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 158.71, possibly as low as 156.50. Look for some resistance around 158.36 and look for some support around 157.25. Okay, let's take a look at the US Swiss. This particular pair, there we go, closed up, did break previous resistance. You can see here, broke previous resistance, closed higher. We are looking for it overall to continue moving sideways with bias to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 1.0076, possibly as low as 0.9882. Look for some resistance around 1.0020 and look for some support around 0.9950. Okay, now as far as news analysis go, we have the European, the German CPI being released, which will affect the euro, of course, for November year to date. No consensus for this particular pair, or for this particular news announcement, and no time given either. So keep an eye on that news announcement. Now, if you switch to the 4-hour time frame and the pound US dollar pair, as far as what I'm looking at over this next session, you will see that we have this swing trade opportunity that was created a while ago, looking for basically a breakout to the upside of that. Let me draw a trend line, get a little bit clearer as to our entry here. Looking for a break of that, you can see that this particular pair has been moving sideways over this last session, essentially. We are going to be looking for a breakout to the upside. Where would you potentially exit that trade? Well, you definitely have this area to consider as far as your next area of hitting some key areas of resistance. Now, to the upside, you're looking at a potential of about 44 pips or so. I do believe that we'll get that as the market oscillates over this next session. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.